Hello everyone and welcome back to the session today, which is going to be on ages. If you go through the video of the channel, we have already done some questions based on ages. Today we are going to talk about the placement paper sums. That means the questions which would have already come in the placement paper from the topic age or ages. Let's see all of those one by one. Practice sums on ages. If you look at the question number one, Meeta is 4 years older than Sunita. After 8 years, the sum of their ages will be 3 times that of their present ages. What is the age of Meeta? So we know the process. We would have already learned this age sum in class 6, 7, 8. So what we are going to talk today is the smartest way of doing this kind of questions. What you will have to identify, Meeta is 4 year older. Who is older? So Meeta is older. That means what you do, you just write the names like Sunita and Meeta. First, whose name has to be written? That is somebody who is younger, right? So Sunita, suppose the age of Sunita is X. Okay, so this is the present age. When we write present age of Sunita be X, then Meeta is 4 year older. Older means it is more. So Meeta will be X plus 4. Our equation is done, right? One equation is done. After 8 years, they have told. After 8 years in the sense, after 8 years. So can we write plus 8 years, right? After 8 years, what will happen? The ages will be more, right? After 8 years, what will happen? X will become X plus 8 and X plus 4 will become X plus 4 plus 8, that is X plus 12. So this will be after 8 years. What will happen? This will be the age of Sunita and this will be the age of Meeta. Now let's talk about after 8 years what happens and try to form the equation from there. So after 8 years, the sum of their ages will be 3 times that of their present age. That of in the sense sum of. That means the sum of these two. That means what they are training, X plus 8 if we add with X plus 12. This is sum of their ages will be equal to 3 times, right? So 3 and times how much age their present is. This is the present age, so that is X and plus X plus 4, right? Okay, so this is the option. So just now what we can do, we can equate the equation and we can find out what is that, what is the age of Meeta. So we have to find out X plus 4. Okay, so X plus 4. Okay, this is 2X plus 20 is equal to, this becomes 2x, right? 2 into 3 is 6x and this is 4, 4 3 ja 12, right? Okay, now if you see, this is what, this is 6x and this is 2x. So can we take this 2x this side, so this becomes 4x and this 12 come this side, it becomes 8, right? So x is equal to 2 and what they have asked, X plus 4. So X plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 years old, and option 3 is the right sum, right answer, right? Probably to solve this question we have taken too much of time. Why? Because it was question number 1. I just wanted all my learners to revise this and try to understand what is the process we are going to follow. Here onwards what we will do, we'll try to do the sum within a minute, and sometimes after that we'll try to do the sum in 45 seconds. Why? Because aptitude is all about timing. It is not at all about getting the answer with the process. It's about getting the right answer in the efficient manner, right? Okay, just to revise, just to sum up, because it is question number 1. So what we will do while summing up or while finding the answer, what we have to do is, whenever in the age problem two different entities will be given, the age of different two people will be given. Sometimes it is father son, father daughter, mother daughter, two brothers, two sisters, two friends, something like that. So write down which is smaller, who is younger first and then elder later, so that it is going to be the sum. Instead of negative minus subtraction, you are going to plus, or in multiplication or division, we have to multiply rather than divide, right? So write the present age and write the past age, or sometimes they will give you the age of future, right? In this case, after 8 years. So this is future age, okay? And then find out the equation, find the value of x, and try to find out what they have asked. Okay, question number 2. Again, practice sum on ages, and this question was asked in the question paper, aptitude question paper. Question number 2 is the present age of father is 5 times the age of son. Right. What is that? Present age. What they have given? Present age of father, right? So what I told, okay, father and son is there. So write son's age first. Why? Because addition will be there. Okay. And son and father. Write down the present age. Suppose I am telling present age of father is 5 times. That means if son is x years old, father will be 5x years old. Okay, 5 years ago means minus 5 years, right? Okay, so minus 5 years. So 5 years ago, what would have happened? If today is 10 years, 5 years ago it will be 10 minus 5, that is 5 years. So if it is x, it is going to be x minus 5, and here it is going to be 5x minus 5. So 5 years ago, this is the age of son and this is the age of father. This was okay. Now try to find out the equation. 5 years ago, the age of father was, what was the age of father? Father's age is 5x minus 5. This is what is the age of father 5 years ago, was 10 times the age of son. That means if we multiply the son's age by 10 times, this can be equated. And how did we find this one? X minus 5. X minus 5 is son's age at that time. That means 5 years ago. And now what they are asking, how old is father as present? Means you will have to find out 5x value. What is the value of 5x, right? So just round it off so that we'll find out. Okay. Write down, equate x 5x minus 5 is equal to 10x minus 50. This x come there and this comes this side. So what we will get? This 10x minus 5x will be 5x, and this 50 comes this side, minus becomes positive. So plus 50 minus 5 is going to be 45. That means 5x is equal to 45 years is the answer. No need of further finding the value of x. Why? Because we have to find out 5x value. So 45 is the right answer. Option 1 is the right answer. People who have got the answer as 5x, congratulate yourself, tap yourself, appreciate yourself. It is very important. You have got the right answer. Okay. So these all questions were having complexity which is little lesser. Let's see some questions where complexity will increase. Looking at question number 3. Father's age is 25 years more than the son's age. Okay. So what we will do? Son's age and again father's age. Okay. And this is present age. Why? Because in the question is there. Wherever is there, is means it is going to be present age, right? Okay, so present age. So son is suppose x years. So father's age is 25 years more. That means x plus 25. Okay. 4 year hence. Hence means later, after. So plus 4 years. That means plus 4 years. So what will happen? This will become x plus 4 and this will become x plus 29. Why? Because x plus 25 plus 4, right? X plus 29. So father's age will become, and the equation is the father's age. What is father's age? X plus 29. Okay. X plus 29 will, father's age will become 1 year less than thrice of the age of son, right? Thrice the son's age. Okay. Is equal to thrice the age of son. Son's age is x plus 4. Okay. Now, if you try to equate, it is not equal. What they have given is this and this. This parameter is one smaller than this. So what we should do? Add one more to this, and this two will become equal, right? If they are telling if 30 is this side and this side is 31, and 31 is 1 less than 31. So what we should do, either this is less, right? This is less means add 1 here, otherwise subtract 1 here. So they are telling it will become 1 year less than, sorry. So when it is less than, add 1 this side rather than this. If it has to happen on the right hand side, what has to be done? We will minus 1, right? So this will become x plus 30, and that will be equal to 3x, and 4 3 is 12, my dear friends. So what will happen? This x will go this side and 12 will come this side. That means 2x. 2x is going to be 12 and 30. 30 minus 12 is going to be 18, isn't it? What we have to find out, what is father's percentage? Father's percentage is x plus 25. That means x is required, x is equal to 9, and x plus 25 is the father's age, which is 9 plus 25, which is 34 years old. So option C is the right answer. Hope you people have got this. Okay, having understood question number 3, let's go to the marathon and let's start the question number 4, which is the practice sum from age, which was asked in the question paper. Okay, Ranjan's and Anurag's ages are in the ratio 4:5. 4 years hence, their age ratio will become 5:6. What is Anurag's present age? Very good. Present age we have to find out. So who is that? First is Ranjan, okay, and second is Anurag, okay. So if we talk about present age of these two, this is 4x and this is 5x. Now you will tell why? Why? Because it is given in the ratio, right? Ranjan divided by Anurag is of the ratio this. So what we can do, if you want to equate this, why? Because it is ratio, just put x and x, right? So Ranjan will become 4x, then Anurag will become 5x, if, right? So I'm considering Ranjan as 4x, then Anurag will be 5x. Then the ratio of these two will be 4 by 5 by, because x will get cancelled, 4 by 5, right? Okay. Hope you understood this. And 4 year hence, so what will happen? Plus 4 year, my dear friend. So this will become 4x plus 4, and this will become 5x plus 4. Okay. And the equation is 4 year hence, their age ratio will become 5:6. So suppose Anurag, right? Whose ratio? Ranjan versus Anurag. So Ranjan divided by Anurag is the ratio between these two, will be after 4 years. What will happen? It will be of the ratio 4x plus 4, and this will become 5x plus 4, and this is what is the ratio, right? According to this. Now to find the value of x, what we will do? We will do cross multiplication, right? Cross multiplication. That means the ratio of these two will be equal to these two, right? Okay. Or this is the ratio. What we can do? Ranjan is to Anurag is how much? Ranjan is to Anurag is 5:6, they have told. So this is 5 and this is 6. So cross multiplication like this. That means 6 times 4 plus 8, 4x plus 4 is equal to 5 times 5x plus 4. That means this is 24x plus 24 is equal to 25x plus 20. So this 24 will come this side and this 20 will go that side, and we will get x is equal to 4. What did we get? The value of x is equal to going to be 4. What we have to find? What is Anurag's present age? Present age of Anurag, where is Anurag? 5x. So if x is equal to 20, my dear friends, 5x is equal to what? 4 into 5, which is going to be 20 years old, right? Why? Because x is equal to 4, then 5x is equal to 20. So option A is the right answer. Hope you have understood question number 4. Let's quickly go to question number 5 and see which was that question which was asked in the question paper based on ages. Okay, so question number 5 says the present age of Trisha and Shalini are in the ratio 7:6 respectively. The last question we have done, right? What we can do? We can write Trisha and Shalini. Trisha and Shalini. And what we can write is 7:6. So if Trisha is 7x, then Shalini will be 6x, and this is going to be present age, right? Okay, after 8 years in the sense plus 8 years we can add, and the age becomes 7x plus 8 years, and this becomes 6x plus 8 years, my dear friends. Okay, and after 8 years the ratio of their ages will be, so what is the equation? 7x plus 8 divided by 6x plus 8, which is these two ratio will be equal to, what is the ratio? 9:8. And they're giving the question, what is the difference of their ages at present? So we'll see what to be found. So okay, cross multiply and then find the value of x. So it is nothing but 8 7 ja 56 I will write, or okay, let me write 8 times 7x plus 8 is equal to 9 times 6x plus 8. That means 8 7 ja 56, 64, 54, 72. This will go this side and this will go this side, right? So this becomes 2x is equal to 64 goes this side. 72 minus 64 is going to be 8. That means the value of x is going to be 4, isn't it? The value of x is equal to 4. What they are asking, what is the difference in their present age or age at present, right? What is the difference? So age is 7x, age is 6x. What is the difference? 7x minus 6x, that is the value of x they are asking. So this is the final answer. X value is 4. The answer is for option 1, right? Okay. So we have got the answer. Now question number 6. Okay, so these are the questions from placement paper. Okay, so few questions are from the placement paper which were asked. Let's see on ages. Okay, wonderful. So 6 number question, this was asked in the placement paper of few of the question papers. Let's see how difficult it is going to be, having understood the basics of age problem. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of youngest child? Okay. If you try to see the question, what they have asked, there are 5 children, right? 5 children and at the interval of 3 years, right? Okay. So suppose if the first child is x, what will be the age of second child? X plus 3 years, right? If this is the age of first child is x years, then this will become, second child will be x plus 3. Why? Because interval of 3 years they have told. So what will be the next? X plus 6, next will be x plus 9, next will be x plus 12. How many child? 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, 1. Okay, now what they have given, 5 children, we have got already the age of that. So the sum is going to be 50. That means x plus 3 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 9 plus x plus 12 is going to be equal to 50. That means what? This, if we add 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. So 5x plus. Now 12 plus 3 is 15 and 9 plus 6 is 15. So that is 30 is going to be 50. That means 5x is equal to, this will come this side, 20. That makes x is equal to 4. We got x is equal to 4, right? Okay, x is equal to 4. So they are asking what is the age of the youngest child. What is the age of youngest child? X. So 4 years old is the first answer. Option number 1. So after understanding the problems on age or the basic sums on age, we are able to do the sums which were asked in the question paper, that too being a little difficult. Okay, so here onwards what we will do, my dear friends, we will give the question. I'll just read out. What you do, you give a pause to yourself for a minute, try to answer the question on your own. If you are able to do, wonderful. Self appreciate yourself. If not, look at the video. Not at all a problem. Anyway, solution is here. So look at the video and then give the solution to that. Right? Okay. The present ages of three colleagues are in the proportion 3, 5, 3 is to 5 is to 7. 4 years ago, the sum of their ages was 48. Find their present ages in years. Okay, so the options are 10, 22, 28, 24, 40, 56, 12, 20, 28, 12, 22, 28 years. Okay, find their present age. Okay, so once again I remind you, give a pause for a minute, pause the video, try doing this question yourself. If you can do, if you are not able to do, come back. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is going to be something different. I will give you the Mentos way. One is finding the value, finding the answer. Another way is finding the right answer, right? Okay, what they have given, the percentage of three colleagues are in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7, right? Okay, and the options they have given, find the present age. That means if the answer has to be in the ratio of 3 is to 5 is to 7, so any of the option has to be divisible by 3, 5 and 7. The first number should be divisible by 3. Can we divide this 10 by 3? No, it's wrong answer. Okay. 24, yes we can do. 12, yes. 12 we can do, yes. Okay. So these first is wrong answer and the other options are, why I am telling, because answer has to be in the ratio 3 is to 5 is to 7. Now let's see, can we get the answer? Can we divide the second number, the middle number, by 5? In how many options? 22. Can we divide by 5? No, is the wrong answer. Okay. Now let's look at these two. What is that? Check the ratio. Whether it can be divided by 3. So you will tell yes. How many times? 8 times. 8 into 3 is to 5 is to 7. Whether it agrees or not. So yes, 8 3 are 24. 8 5 are 40 and 8 7 are 56. Similarly, here you will tell this is 4 into 3 is to this, right? So 4 3 are 12, 4 5 are 20 and 7 4 are 28. No problem. Okay. Now these two might be the answer. Okay. I'm giving you the other way. I'll tell you how to find the answer, but I'm giving. So choose the wrong answer and delete that. So we have deleted option 1 and 2. We are looks like we are playing KBC, right? Two options are deleted and two options are remaining. Now what they have told, 4 years ago the sum of their ages was 48. That means what? 4 years ago the sum of their ages, that means age, suppose first number, first person's age, second person's age and third person age, if we do the sum of that, that is going to be 48. No, 4 years ago, that means what is the age of that person? Minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. So that means whatever we do, minus 4 into 3, that is 12, will be equal to 48. That is right. That means number, if we add these three number, it should be equal to this. Minus 12 goes this side, it becomes plus, right? 48 plus 12, that is equal to 60, isn't it? So look for the option where you see the answer, the sum of those three numbers are coming as 60. If you add 12 plus, okay, 12 plus 28 you do, what is that? 2 plus 8 is 10 and 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 is 4. So 40 plus 20 is 60. However, if you try doing this, it will come 120, double of that. So this is the right answer and this is the wrong answer. Got it? So this is one of the way. How we will do this kind of question? If the question is little big, what you can do, answer, look at the options and you will get the answer most of the time if you are intelligent enough. Otherwise, so you know how to find the answer. Why? Because they have already given question of ratio, right? So this is the way. 60 is the right answer. Question number 8. Let's look at question number 8. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was, right? Okay. So we can find the answer both the ways. One is, okay, I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. At the time of your birth, what is the age of son and what is the age of father? So I am just writing here birth. At the time of birth, what is the age of son? 0 years. What is the age of father? Suppose now present. If at present I am telling the age of son be x, right? If the age of son is x, so what father is telling, I was as old as you are at present. Present age of son is x. So at the time of your birth, I was of that age. That means this is x, right? When you were 0 years old, when you were born, I was of an age what you are now. So if you are now x, I was x at that time. Okay. If the father's age is 38 years now. Okay. Now what would have happened? You just try to understand how is the question. It is not a complex question if you understand. Otherwise, you will not be able to find the answer. What they are telling is birth, right? At the time of birth, it was 0. It has gone to x. That means we are talking about present is nothing but after x years, right? If we consider at the time of birth, so that how much time has spent x, right? So this x would have become what? X plus x. What we have done, 0 plus x, correct? No. So x plus x, that is 2x. The present age of father will be 2x. So 2x is equal to, in the question they have given, the present age of father is 38 years. So what is the value of x? 19. What they are asking? And what is the value of x? Okay, this. Okay, no problem. So what is the present age of son? X. So x is nothing but this is present age. Present age of son, right? But what they have told to find? If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back. 5 years back means minus it. So x minus 5, right? So 19 minus 5, that is 14 years, right? So option A is the right option. Option 1 is the right option. 14 years old is the right answer. Got it? Okay. Let's see this question. Meetali and Neeraj got married 30 years old. Meetali is 4 years younger than Neeraj. When they got married, the difference between two times of Meetali's age and 1.5 times of the Neeraj's age was 5 years. Find the present age of Meetali and Neeraj. And the options are 24, 46, 52, 55, 52, 56, 56, 52. Okay. So, okay. If you look at the options, you can give the answer. Give a pause after some time. Try finding the answer. I'll tell you the right answer looking at the question without solving the question. What they have given? Meetali and Neeraj got married 30 years ago. Meetali is 4 years younger than. 4 years younger. Who is younger? Meetali is younger and Neeraj is older, right? So suppose Meetali is x, this is going to be 4 year younger. Who is younger? Meetali is younger. So x plus 4. So what they have told, find the present age of Meetali and Neeraj. That means Meetali age has to be x and Neeraj age has to be x plus 4. Just look at the options. What is the difference? The difference should be 4. Okay. Look at the difference. This is 24, 46. Wrong choice. Why? Because if it is 24, by any chance, if Meetali is 24 years old, then Neeraj should be 24 plus 4, right? 28. Wrong answer. Okay. Option number 2, 50 to 55. What is the age difference? 3 years. How much is the age difference? 4. Wrong answer. Okay, 4. Option 2 is wrong. Now look at the age difference 4 years. Look at the age difference 4 years. Now these two can be the right answer. However, if you look at the difference between 3 and 4 years, Meetali has to be younger. That means first number has to be smaller and second number has to be bigger. So 52 is smaller, 56 is bigger, seems to be the right option. However, here 56 is big. That means Meetali is young, not younger, older here. So this is also the wrong answer. So without finding the answer, what we did, we got the answer as option number 3. Right? Okay. If you want, how do we find the answer, sir? So this is the option. This is how you find the answer. Let's see here. Meetali and Neeraj got married 30 years ago. Meetali is 4 years younger. Meetali and then Neeraj. Okay. Suppose this is X. This has to be X plus 40. This is the present age. Present age, right? Present. Okay. Now, 30 years ago. So minus 30 years, right? What was the age? This was X minus 30, and my dear friend, this was X plus 4 minus 30 is nothing but X minus 26 years old. Can we write X minus 26 years old? Yes, we can write. Now look at the equation. They have given Meetali, okay, here. When they got married, that means this is the age. The difference between 2 times, the difference between 2 times of Meetali's age. What is Meetali's age? X minus 30. Okay, and they are telling difference, right? So difference is nothing but minus how much? 1.5 times. 1.5 times the Neeraj's age. What is Neeraj's age? X minus 26. X minus 26 was equal to 5 years. This is the equation. This is very easy, right? Now you will tell, sir, 1.5 times how to do? What I will tell, no problem. On the left hand side and on the right hand side, just multiply by 2. So this becomes 4 times X minus 30 minus 1.5 into 2 is nothing but 3x minus 26 is going to be 10, right? Now we can do it. Could be done. Yes. So this is 4x minus 120, my dear friend, right? And this is 3x, my dear friend. Minus minus becomes plus, and this becomes 3 times 26. 3 times 26 is nothing but 78, my dear friend, is equal to 10. What you will get? 4x minus 3x is nothing but x, and this is minus and this is plus, my dear friend. So what we will do is equal to, directly x is equal to, on the right hand side we have 10, this goes, so becomes minus 78, and this goes that side, this is minus, so becomes plus. So that is nothing but 10 plus this is 130 minus 78, which is nothing but x value is nothing but, what is that? This is 2 and this is 5, 52. So what is the present age of Meetali? Who is x? X is Meetali. So Meetali comma Neeraj will be equal to, Meetali is x, x value is 52, and second value should be x plus 4, 52 plus 4. So 52 comma 56 is the right option, which we got here, 52, 56. Now you see, you have got the answer. It has taken a lot of time, nearly 1.5 to 2 minutes we have wasted, right? What you can do, in most of the questions of aptitude, they do not ask you to find the value as we used to find in the class, right? In the standard 8, 9, 10, all those. What they want is the right answer. So most of the cases you will see the complexity of the solution is the choice from the candidate, choice of the candidate. However, most of the time answers are already there in the options. Okay. Question number 10, let's see. The ratio of the age of Esha and her mother is 1:4. So what is that? Esha is there and Esha's mother is there. Okay, Esha. Okay, and this is present age, right? The ratio of ages of Isha and mother is means present age. Suppose Isha is x years, then mother will be 4x, right? 1 is to 4. And the ratio of ages of Isha's mother, right? And her brother, oh my god, 9 is to 1. So how do you do? So suppose this is one equation. Look at second equation. If Isha's mother is 9x, then what will be Isha's brother? It will be x, isn't it? So what we can do, this is brother, right? In case this is 9x, then it is x, but when it is x, this is 4x. So what we can do, we can equate it. How? Just by multiplying. These two you multiply. What you can write, what you can do is 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is 36 times x. Take the LCM. And this is x, right? When this is 4x, this has to be x. So what if it is 9 times? We have to multiply 9 times. So do into 9. And similarly, when it is 9x, mother is 9x, the brother is x. But however, in this case, what we have seen 4 times. So multiply by 4 for this. So 9x, this will become, Isha will become 9x. If mother is 36x, that means Isha should be 9x and Isha's brother should be 4x. So this is the equation. That's all, nothing else. So just multiply the common factor and let's see the missing options and all in other age. This is the question and it can be done. If Isha's brother is 5 years younger than Isha, what they have given in the question now? Trying to find the equation. Isha's brother. Where is Isha's brother? Here. Okay. And Isha's brother is 5 years younger. That means the difference between Isha and brother is going to be 5 years. That is what they have given. So that means 9x minus 4x is equal to 5x. 5x is equal to x, 5. That means x is equal to 1. What they want to find us out? They are asking what will be the age of Isha's mother after 4 years. Who is Isha's mother? 36x. What is the value of Isha's mother? 36x. So x is equal to 1. That means 36x, which is mother, is equal to 36 years, right? Mother's age. But when at present is 36 years. They are asking after 4 years. After 4 years means plus 4 we have to do. So 36 plus 4, that is 40 years will be the right answer. Let's see the options. Option number 2 is the right option. Okay. Okay, so these were some of the sums which had come in the question paper, and if you look at that, questions were not at all so difficult. So what I say, after looking at these 10 questions, my viewers would have got an idea how to do the sums on ages and how to tackle efficiently the questions based out of ages in any of the question paper. Do revise a lot many times, watch the video and become the expert of aptitude. That's all from my side now at this video. If you like this video, I request you to like it, comment, share and subscribe the video with your friends. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of your family, never stop learning. Come back to Quant Guru with other topics. We will come back with question paper solutions as well. Bye-bye.